Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is Galaxy Girl Creation 1000 subscriber celebration hop-in giveaway, and we are supposed to scrap lift her. So that was the layout that I am going to scrap lift. Galaxy Girl is Janet Fritz, and I am so happy to be part of this hop when it is that she hit 1,000 subscribers. I remember when I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I was super stoked. And I know that she is as well. And so congratulations on the 1,000 subscribers. Check the link down below for any of the people that are participating. And make sure you go over to her channel to find out what the giveaway is and all of that jazz. So what I am doing here is that I took Vicky Bouton's modeling paste and her pigment blend. I think it's like pigment. Let me see what it's called. I purchased these, and this is the first time I'm using them. It's the powdered pigment set. And I took the modeling paste from Vicky Bouton as well. And I placed this, I don't know, tealish color looking one. It's like a teal color. The only thing that I don't like about these is that I'm not sure what they are, the color-wise, because they're not... Oh, no, it's on the back of the bottom. Excuse me, I am so sorry. I was trying to hang on to that one. It's Blue Hawaiian is this one. So I placed that and did it exactly how she did. And I will link also down below the video, real-time video for her to do her, what Janet did. She did one in real time. And then I will link the scrap lift that I'm doing. I will link it from her Instagram because this particular one doesn't have a YouTube video per se, but another one does. Now, I started on this one and I was going to use this, and then I decided not. I did use it, but I used it for the big circles. So I didn't prime any of this. I decided I'm not going to prime any of the papers that I am using today. The white paper that I'm using is the marshmallow from Basil, so it can handle the wetness. And these two are from the Cute Girl collection. And I am doing the same thing that you saw me do with the teal. I am doing it with this pink color, and the pink color is Coral Macaron. And I'm using the Nouveau Glimmer paste. It's the iridescent one. Moonstone. And I put the colors on there, and I'm just getting it ready and primed, and then I have to let this dry. So I just wanted to show what that looked like. In the other ones, I took 3 different circles and took 3 different types of circle punches and then circles, and I punched them out and whatnot. So you'll see me. I kept that off camera because this video was kind of long. And so I had to do some editing out because I was like, man, I'm going to be here forever. But I did add a bunch of these stamps. I just added a bunch of weird wonky stamps, put them on a pad, and then stamped to town. And then I used this one that's from Tim Holtz. I just love how this one just adds that little bit of something to the pieces that are like opened, that are a little bit too far apart on my stamp set, but it works out to where this just covers it up. And again, I've been really enjoying doing this type of embellishment and background when I'm not doing any dimension to it. It's perfect. Now I'm just kind of placing these around, and then I'm like, oh, this looks good, and then I and then I take it all off again because I'm like, oh, I have some more I want to do for stamping. So then I went through my crafters, it's TCW, I can't remember, the Crafters Workshop, there we go. And that's what these two are from. The honeycomb one is from there as well. And then I thought I was going to use Paige Evans' one, and then I was like, nope. But these here are just the yellow. Now, I got out Distress inks, not the Distress oxides, the regular ones. And the two colors that I used is mustard seed and pink raspberry. I just wanted something a little bit of more color on here, kind of, because I just used 2 pieces of paper, well, 3 if you look at the 6x6, that I cut the circles out of, or punched the circles out. Everything else was non-paper related, and then this is the other paper. So I grabbed 2 6x6, or 3 6x6. One was the dots, and then this one. And I'm sorry for the the best stabilization there, but you kind of get the picture, because I was really going to town on on making this work, because it was a little like using these Distress oxides, and especially through this type of a sketch or stencil, it was a little harder to get it to do what I wanted to. So I'm just cutting this down because I wanted to glitter up. At first I was going to do this, and I was like, nope, that don't look right. So then I placed this down in there, and I wanted to use the rest of this up. Now, I thought that cutting this up and whatnot works out wonderful. However, I did have to go back in and glue the photo because the photo fell off. So just note to self, the glimmer paste does not work well if you do not use some glue to keep the photo up and running. But I am going to back up this one, and then put the other one down below just to have it ready. And yeah, so that is pretty much all I'm doing. Now it's just literally embellishing and embellishments and more embellishments, and let's see what other more gizmos and gazmos and whatever else you want to call it, this and that, and it's a bunch of tinkering. I wanted to make sure that I followed this pretty closely to what her sketch is, except my circles and stuff are a little bit smaller in some spots, and for what I feel anyway. And then, yeah, so, but I absolutely love how this one turns out. I think that it is super, super gorgeous. I just love it. I am so sorry if you can hear my puppers. I'm trying not. Lately here, he's been loving his new bed because it makes noises on him. Okay, good. He got out. Otherwise, I was going to have to stop the video for a second. So here I am. I'm placing down these little circles, and I'm just kind of placing them in different spots, and I just wanted them to go down. And as you can tell, I did archival, black archival. They're both from Close to My Heart. And that's what I used on the circles for the rings. The stamps are all over the place. They're just from my stash. I don't even know if any of them are available or not available. But ultimately, that's how those turned out. I kind of wanted to make sure that these bubbles kind of fell from the sky, if that makes sense, and just kind of landed in certain different spots. My title, I do come in afterwards, and this is where I cut it out. My title is "This Is My Memories," and it is her memories. I know that I could have went "These Are My Memories," but I wanted it to be more, I don't know, kind of like in third. I don't know. My sentence may not sound right to people, but in my head it works, and I'm gonna go with it. I know it could have probably said these are my memories, but this is while she was at school. This was had to have either been November, December timeframe. They had to make a timeline. It had something to do with history, and they had to like make themselves be from birth all the way up. So then I got out these starbursts. I placed these starbursts everywhere. I got out some flowers from Close to My Heart. I'll link these down below because those I do know are still available. And these are from Pink Fresh Studio. They're the flat gems. And let me tell you, Lisa got me this jewel picker and told me about it. And I'm like, sold. I love it. And it works absolutely like... Y'all, you're not going to see no tweezers no more from me, okay? I'm just saying. So I'm just placing these colors everywhere because I just love it. So one's like a blackish, bluish color, and then the other one is teal. So I wanted to congratulate Janet again on her 1,000 subscribers. Make sure that you look down below and check out everybody that is hopping along and scrap lifting her. Make sure you go check out her channel for the giveaway. She always gives out amazing things. I love her. I love her channel. I love all of her layouts. She certainly, definitely does get me outside of my comfort zone. But this, I mean, y'all, when I picked this one, this was perfect for me. But make sure you go check out everybody. I think I'm almost done with everything. The still shots are definitely coming up. If you're coming from any of the other channels, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do everything, and here are the still shots. I hope y'all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.